Hello guys, let's talk about the Dow Jones Industrial Average, about US30, about new buying setup. But first of all, as always, please read the risk disclaimer, and maybe if you have questions, please email support. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want to get all our VIP trades, if you want to get all our VIP content, to become a VIP member, you have to access the link posted right below this video, and you can also use this code, this coupon December at the checkout to get a 30% discount. Okay, so here is US30, and if you remember from yesterday, in my I've talked about US30, about the Dow Jones Industrial Average in my live trading webinar, and I've talked about this aggressive breakdown through the confluence area formed at the intersection between the uptrend line, the downtrend line. And I've told you yesterday, guys, that I don't want to go short here right now, right after this aggressive breakdown. I've told you that maybe I want to see some retests here, maybe before dropping deeper, because you can see here that it has dropped as much as 35,413, where it has found support, and then it has rebounded and it has invalidated its breakdown through the confluence area, and it has signaled potential further growth here. So right after the FOMC, and after the dollar index's sell-off, the US30, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, it has resumed its upside movement. It has invalidated the potential downside movement. So right now, personally, I'm looking maybe for longs, because after this temporary drop, an important growth, it has found resistance around 36,169, and right now it could drop a little before jumping higher. So personally, maybe I will look for longs, but first of all, maybe I will move my uptrend line here, and maybe I will look for longs if the price will come back down, maybe towards the 35,824 or towards the uptrend line. And also here I will draw something like a descending pitchfork, 1, 2, and 3. Actually, let's go on 1 hour. And in the short term, on 1 hour, you can see something like this. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so temporary drop, retest of the upper medium line, rejection, new lower low. So right now in the short term, the US30, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, could extend its sell-off, okay, in the short term only, maybe because the dollar index tries to rebound after its sell-off, after its strong sell-off. So maybe personally I will look for longs if the price comes back to retest this former high, and if it drops, if it stays above it, if it moves sideways, maybe I will look for something. But also something like this, like a sideways movement followed by a valid breakout above the upper medium line, could signal potential growth. But this scenario could take shape only if the price maybe fails to approach to reach my medium line, or if the price continues to drop, if it reaches this confluence area. I want to see maybe the price reaching this confluence area to print maybe something like a false breakdown, great separation, retest could bring us a new long opportunity from here. Okay, so personally I will look for longs after maybe ending its current downside movement, or also something like this, if the price stays maybe above this low, today's low 35,954, maybe something like this, if it moves sideways, to print here something like a triangle, valid breakout, and also maybe a new higher high if it jumps, stabilizes above the 36,169, could bring us new opportunities. So personally, I'll wait maybe for the price to end its retreat, its correction, before I will look for longs. But right now I don't know, maybe the price already ended its correction here, but I want to see something like a sideways movement, valid breakouts before going long, or maybe I want the price to come back down towards these former highs here before maybe moving sideways, upside movement. Or I've told you that maybe I'll wait for the price to come back down towards this confluence area, retest of the uptrend line, maybe retest of the medium line, something like a maybe false breakdown here before jumping higher. Okay, and if you want my trade, if you want to follow my trade, please access the link posted right below this video.